All right. What happens if you look down and do it? It kind of looks like Silhouette should be playing. Bee, 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 bee. I don't know which way we go. Is it over here?
How's this way?
It's got a Naruto run.
Naruto. Do we have anything? Any flashlights?
I don't got shit.
I always forget which button it is. Yeah, I'm empty. I'm on E. Oh, this is okay. So
this is advanced darkness.
Judging by my last attempts, I think if we just run past them and get to like the next door, as long as we don't run into an electricity puddle, we should be able to make it. You know what I'm saying?
Where is he?
Yep. You got it.
Go. I'm just gonna run back. I'm out of stamina. Do we just want to run him out of the store? All right. Did he stop caring about us? Can we run him through the electric water?
Hold on. Can I turn in my in-game?
I wouldn't turn up your in-game brightness if that's what you do.
All right.
Guys.
Everything's fine.
We're just checking there.
Bro.
Can you see him? I will.
Yeah, he kind of sounds like me when I see a cheeseburger.
Honestly, you with chicken tenders?
Yeah, you with
bacon cheeseburgers, bitch.
You with
Did you close the door, or is it just dark? I'm so scared. Okay.
Who turned out the lights? Fine.
Not like this. Are we trying to go back? Look at this little butt crack.
I feel like we need a flashlight.
Not like this.
Yo, it kind of looks like the cart titan.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure there's a door also to the left, but it's kind of hard to see anything.
Yeah, flashlights would help. Did my FOV change? What's going on? No, it didn't.
That is a good question.
Just feels really zoomed in. Alright, we're gonna split up and look
I got one.
Oh, nice. Okay. I think as long as one of us has it, it'll help a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, there's nothing in here.
Alright,
are we all meeting back?
At this point? Who's this? Hey.
Hello.
Oh, hey.
How are you?
Oh, no.
Hello?
Alright.
Well, Caleb will show up one day.
Come on, little guy. It's okay. You can come out.
He's a little shy.
Come on.
Oh!
All right.
What does this say?
What if he's
Blind it and run.
Oh, flashlight it.
Well, that would have been helpful.
Yep.
Huh.
Just hit
If
it with
only
a
we had
flashbang.
flashlights. So what if we ran it through the electricity too?
That's what I was thinking. All right, where is it?
Why is your flashlight?
Okay. I'm running. I'm going.
Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him.
Zach, come on.
He's afraid of the flashlight. No, it's okay. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
We now have. Yeah, we made it a while ago. We were waiting for you to run away, but for some
I wanted
reason,
to see how long I could blind him for.
What the f is going on over here? He's so smart.
Is this just like advanced darkness for you guys as well?
Yeah. I feel like this game got darker.
I think so too.
kind of want to go grab your flashlight.
That's definitely a good idea.
Bro, it's just going off.
All right.
Hey, Stinky!
Come on. Oh my god, why the fuck did you do that? I had to drink water.
I'm pretty sure there's a room in there to the right, and there's probably another breaker in there to break that door.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go there because we can't go this way.
Just give me a couple.
All right, one of you distract, gets the flashlight, and then shines it in his face.
Jesus!
Just gonna. Oh, man! I sure hope he can't come through that doorway. Oh.
Why was he so close to the door?
I blame Caleb for our downfall.
All right.
All right, we need to go get a flashlight
again. All right, flashlight acquired.
Oh, there's another flashlight over here, Caleb.
I got one.
We have 3 flashlights now.
We have 4 flashlights now.
Dude, flashlights?
I'm gonna hold one in both hands.
Hey! Show your badge. Badge up. Hey.
You're gonna get him with that for sure.
This game is so much better with a flashlight. Yeah, where you at, bitch? Oh, he's right there in the corner. All right, everyone, just keep walking. Keep walking.
Right. I'm going to the store. Someone come in here. Come in here.
We're not.
Okay, you guys go over there then.
Go, come on.
All right.
Go, come on. Go!
Open the door! Open the door!
Door's open! The door
Oh my
opened.
god! It wasn't a real room. It was a trap.
Come on!
One second!
Caleb, the door opened out when I tried closing it.
I know, it fucking pushed me. I was like, no!
That room was a trap. Okay.
He's in the corner. All right, is there any room, any way that we can see?
I found a closet.
Okay, room over here by me.
Ooh.
Hello.
Sneaky.
I don't like. What is this? What?
How is this at all convenient?
It's
definitely small enough to fit.
I'm good. I have 3 hands. Look down with your flashlight. I feel like the guys from Monster Inc.
Whose arm is this? All right. There's an arrow.
Where'd the guy go?
I don't know. I don't trust this arrow though.
Shut the door behind us. Is he in here? Yeah, where did he go? I don't understand what's going on. What? The dude just vanish?
Maybe he went in that arrow room.
Well, the footprints are leading over here.
All right, I found him. He hasn't found me yet, though. We're good. Just don't go in that room.
I saw his leg like clip through the room.
Yeah, don't go in there.
This trash bag scared me. All right, well, these paws.
There's more paws over here. Do we go to the one with the arrow, or do we follow the paws? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Kinda. Oh, found a breaker. All right.
Yeah, and I wish Caleb was here.
Oh, I get it.
Match colors, yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
doing
someone fucked me with a door.
I think the door fucked you with the door, alright? I was trying to help. Is it working? This guy's colorblind.
Aha!
This guy's got
I don't know what that did.
Here.
I don't know. I think it just leads back to the hallway.
It's like his little dog house.
We got one more breaker to find.
Hey, I found it.
No.
Oh.
All right.
Hey, is my room shut? Is he in here?
No, I got him. You're just
Okay.
gonna activate the breaker. Don't worry about it. No stress. Nothing to fear at all.
Oh man, this is a hard puzzle, guys. That one was literally match the color.
All right, he was out here. All right, he's right here. Is the gate behind me open?
No, I think we have to go back into this room. Take out your flashlight.
What?
Oh,
he's running away.
Bye.
Bitch. Do you not have your flashlight anymore?
No, I'm holding mine.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
On my screen, I'm holding mine.
Neither of you are.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
I'm holding mine.
all of these are like closets.
All right, let's go to the arrow, I guess. It's definitely
It's a tarp.
not a trap.
All right, I'll wait on the outside for you.
It opens up
Oh.
to a staircase. No, not a staircase. It looks like a staircase, but it's a lie.
It's just a step up.
Fake is a lie.
All right.
Another breaker. Not gonna lie, these lights scared the shit out of me. Oh yeah, easy puzzle. Oh yay. Yay. I did it.
Oh.
Oh, that sounded like it
One's
opened.
open?
Wait, come down here.
Oh, is this one right here? Oh, okay.
There's still more stuff down
I'm
here,
coming.
so I just wanted to, clear our surroundings.
This guy's easy.
Whoa, come on now. He scared us.
There's another flashlight.
Spooked us.
Oh, this thing opened too. Okay, so it opened both of
Almond
those.
water. What's the point of opening this room?
Oh, a microscope.
Yeah, let me do my research in this fucking industrial zone. Is this the poo bucket? Is this the poo room?
All right.
Mhm.
This way.
Come on, we gotta be done with this area, right? Save your
A
stand.
hole in the wall. Hole in the wall. Hole in the wall. Wait.
We've
Wait.
been here. We've
No.
been here. Wait, does that mean? Wait, where are we supposed to go?
No. I'm going back to this room.
I don't know where this room is.
What up?
Oh no. Go back to where you go back to the where we started.
Meow. Ooh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going insane.
Oh, son of a. I shouldn't have gone down this hallway.
I think he just runs away over time.
Okay. Go.
I'm running.
I'm going insane. I'm going insane. Do you have any almond water?
I have one.
I got 2 flashlights. Can I have it?
Love me some.
Give me the. Oh.
Oh, your flashlight's back.
Oh, is that kit one then? There you go.
Did you drop
guys-
the almond water?
Can you shut up?
Stop asking
Wait,
about
that's
the
the-
almond water.
That's the other room.
I'm so
I want
lost.
to go back. Just keep going. Yep, back in here, and then go to your left. Go back out that way, where all that box of like different lights were.
Over here.
The box of different lights.
So you gotta go back through this to the beginning.
Beginning.
Inga binga bing.
I don't know what we're talking about. Box of lights.
Yeah, I don't know either.
When we first got into this area, there's that
Oh,
thing
hold on,
with
I
like
found
6
an
red
almond
lights.
I think I'm about to die.
Ah, you're good.
I died. Thanks for the almond water.
Hey, you pick. I had it too. I was going insane. I only had one. Free almond water though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Griffin, go back that way you're going.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
I walked this lonely road.
The only road that I have ever known.
Where am I going?
There's a bunch of almond waters in there.
Oh.
Or there's only
somewhere.
one.
What if I accidentally drink spray paint? This room?
Start huffing.
Nope. You should just go die. Honestly.
Okay.
You just went around in a circle. So that was like that cage room that we just saw.
Yeah.
See how long I just sprinted for?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Because you're being followed.
Don't turn around.
I think I am being followed.
Oh yeah, you are.
Because I am like full sprint.
Yeah, they're right behind you.
Yeah. Show him your ass. No. Die.
I guess follow the paw prints. I mean, that's the only
Because
thing I
that's the
can think
first
of.
clue, Blues. Speedrun time.
You're good. Oh my god. Hey, 10 out of 10.
That would do again.
You know what? Every time I get an almond water, I'm not giving it to you.
Wait, come back. Everyone, we gotta come back and grab flashlights. Hey, look, free almond water. Flashlight.
I don't see another flashlight. Dingoes.
Dingo ate my baby. There's an extra flashlight right here.
Where? Underwear.
I got it.
I'm
I'm gonna give it to you. I dropped it on the floor.
There's probably another flashlight over here. There's usually some stuff in the
Probably
spawn.
another almond water over there too.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it out. Hey, another flashlight. All right, who doesn't have a flashlight?
Everybody has a flashlight.
All right, right here, guys.
Oh.
Oh, this guy Griffin always getting fucking lost.
I'm right next to you. This is me. Zach's the one.
Ah!
Oh.
Hey,
Oh.
do you think we did it?
We did it. Yes, new room. Whee!
Yay! Wow,
Yeah, that's
Caleb-
where I was trying to go the whole time. I don't know what Griffin was doing.
Yeah, where the fuck was Griffin going?
Whoa. Hey. Oh,
It's raining.
guys, welcome to my house. This is my house, guys. I love doors, so I have a lot of doors. Hello?
Hello? Anybody home?
Yo, I found some Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Yo, check it out. Guys, look at my Gatorade. You see my Gatorade?
Nope.
Yeah.
holding it.
Shut up.
Look at it, it's on the ground now.
Just let him pretend. Oh, that's sick.
Okay, who picked it up? I needed my electrolytes, bro.
Ooh.
What the
Here's your Wait, what does Gatorade do? Gives you temporary speed boost.
Whoa, did you just drink it? Oh.
No, I dropped it.
Guys, Caleb, we're going
Ooh,
this way.
almond water. I've got almond water.
All right, I feel like it's this way.
Yeah, I think that's the right
Ooh,
way.
Gatorade.
Why are you crouching? Caleb, crouch and uncrouch.
Why am I? I can see the like shadow, but I'm not even crouched.
Guys, you want to know the unsettling part about this?
How many doors there are?
No, it's like working.
Ugh.
Locked? Oh, unlocked. Okay.
Okay, what?
An elevator with a
broken.
ladder?
Broken.
That's what elevators are for, right?
Yeah. Okay. I find the windows unsettling, so
Me too. I can see buildings out there. Not a fan of it.
I'm gonna look outside. All right, let's stick together just in case.
all right. Oh, this one's unlocked. There's some books. Another flashlight.
Oh. A door that opens. A lamp.
That is open.
The casting couch.
Oh.
Oh. Another door.
Okay.
Oh, interesting. Wait, we know where we are.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm so confused now.
We're back.
Which door did we end up opening from the other side? One of these doors.
Is it this one? Is it 0?
Door 0? No.
It's not 0.
No, it's not 1.
1's the one that we normally go into.
Yeah.
It's 4. So does that mean that there's like something new here?
I would assume.
Okay.
How far down this tunnel can we go?
I think you just stop.
Oh.
Maybe
I think
in
maybe
the
go
Meg
back to the
Center?
computer room.
Yeah, the Meg Center.
Why are you crouching?
Is this the same Meg Center?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hacker Man. What is it? It hears you?
It heard you.
It heard you. Oh, what up? I'm typing it. You can add spaces.
Anything new?
Garage, level 0. Pipe Dreams, we're just in Pipe Dream. Electric Station, we're just there. Abandoned Office. Nope. I think maybe...
You got abandoned office?
Yeah.
I don't have abandoned office.
The only thing I think maybe is like...
I think
like
I'm bugged. I can't get out of this computer.
Oh, just press F. Jeez,
Press F.
gosh.
I'm also typing.
I don't have abandoned office.
I don't have abandoned office either.
That's weird.
Might be it's your game. I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. All right. Well, let's see.
Back up. Oh.
Where'd you go?
I fell into the bag room. I like that
I
this
went into
place
the back
is.
room. Fell into the back room.
I like how this place is certified with, you know, fire safety.
Well,
let's go back.
let's go back in here and see if there's another way we missed.
Welcome to my office. Yeah, maybe
If we go back the way I was gonna try to go, and you're like, "We're going this way," and I was like, "What's this door?"
all right. I'm on my way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Anything-
but I don't think there's a way here.
Oh, we got the break room.
I don't know. This looks like there's something over here. Why are there just stacks of books on the ground? Why is there a vending machine for books?
For people to read?
There's just a
Wait,
book vending
there's
machine and a table vending
Table and a chair.
Yo.
You notice the water
Wait,
cooler
wait,
vending
wait,
machine?
wait. You can use them.
What?
How many? Oh, it's a code. It's a code. How many-
Oh, it is a code.
There's 5 tables in this room. There's one,
vending machine.
two. There's two
All right.
chairs.
Or not vending
Alright.
machine. One water cooler. All right.
I got
one
two
water
chairs.
cooler.
5 tables, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stacks of books. No, there's 8.
How many
tables.
individual? Oh, is it stacks?
I think it's
Yeah, it looks
stacks. So 1, 2,
How many was
3,
it?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 books.
9 books. Okay.
Hey,
Yeah, we did it. Oh,
You're like, this is so stupid.
Uh,
A chair can't get out of a vending machine.
oh, a computer in here.
Ackerman, use that.
That doesn't work.
Calvin, I had the same idea to just walk on top of it. Yeah, this has been lifted. This is like the first room. Look at this is like the first room that feels alive, you know?
Man, looks like there's blood on that.
Yeah, that is kind of unsettling.
Locked door.
I don't like this area.
Neither do I.
Something's gonna be in the cubicles, I feel.
Yeah.
Oh, juice!
An underpaid, overworked office worker. The worst. Asking for more tips and raises. Percentage.
Ooh, juice.
Give me the juice.
Give me the juice.
Oh,
Give me the
protein
juice,
bar.
boy.
got an energy bar.
Ooh.
Almond water.
More juice.
Almond water. More juice.
Door's locked. Door's stuck.
Energy bar.
Door's open.
Almond water. Energy bar. This is the restock room right here.
Hey, there's more rooms in here. Oh.
Juice. What does the energy bar do?
I think it just heals
Temporary
you.
stamina boost.
Okay. Zach, I think we go this way.
All right, hold on. Did you eat your energy bar before? Remember when you were running and you were like, "Why am I running for so long?"
I don't think I ate it.
Oh, more
all right.
juice. How did I miss this one?
Okay. I think this is the next area.
Give me a beer, boy. Bring my soul.
Why were you so quiet?
Yeah.
It's just like looking away from.
Camera reset.
I think that's
24-hour surveillance. So we're just hitting buttons without asking
Yep.
questions. All right.
I mean,
We got outside. It's so wet.
And
there's
blue.
a ceiling outside.
I think it's just reflection.
Oh,
More
Okay.
doors.
We're gonna have,
door.
we're gonna have a
There's a
FNAF
camera?
situation. What's up?
go ahead.
What's up?
I don't trust that camera. It started looking at me.
Yeah.
This guy's scared of a
No,
camera.
Yeah, this guy hates technology. Next thing he's gonna find out is his flashlight turns on.
No, I genuinely feel like we can't be seen by the cameras. Or else why would they put this little corner room to avoid the camera?
Oh,
Nah, we're good.
why do I hear a noise?
It's the camera moving. Did we go down this way?
I have so many juice eyes.
Why is it giving us so many things? It's like a boss fight, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like this room. Does that mean there's another camera in here?
There's another
Yeah, it's
camera.
right there. Yeah, how's it going, camera?
I feel like we're missing something.
I don't trust the cameras. Whatever you guys. Another energy bar and juice.
And juice.
I got a lot, so.
Yeah, you guys have been scrounging around. Oh, hey. Oh, I walked into a wall. Hey,
Camera?
no camera.
Oh wait.
There's
Alright,
two
it's
cameras. This one's moving, I think.
I just want to check the other rooms. Ooh, another energy bar.
Empty bookshelves.
Juice.
Yeah, spotted. Huh.
Uh,
Oh,
hey, crowbars.
this is okay. So I think what we have to do in order for this door to open, we have to not be spotted by all 4 cameras.
Yes. Which means we have to go back and reset the cameras.
I'm Morgan Freeman. Wait, come back.
And the fact that we don't have a crowbar. Oh. Leads me to believe that we're going to be fighting something. What?
Who's just stopping here?
All right, I was trying to get my crowbar into the hotbar.
That's just like, you are an idiot.
I can't move.
Yeah, this kind of slaps.